Alright, welcome back again. We're back playing Banished. And ooh, we have a baby cow now. And 28. That's 6 more than we had at the end of last video. It's cool. So I think things are going in the right direction now after that, I don't know what you want to call it. Great Plague. Great Plague of Starvation. Something like that. Anyway, so like tons of our people died. So now we just have the bare minimum of what we need to fill our jobs in. Obviously, except for the stonecutter, which is we had a lot of people in there for a little bit. But we're gonna be okay. Our food is holding steady-ish. Ish. I like, yeah, ish. Very ish. It's, you know, up and down, but it hasn't been down to 0 yet. So I think we're gonna be okay this time around. Ooh. It's iron. We left this iron here. This is what we want to see. People dying of old age, not people dying of starvation. We have 4 laborers now, and we haven't told them to do very much, so I'm gonna put 1 on forestry and 2 on stone cutting and keep 1 as a laborer. Because as soon as we get about 200 stone, I know we never made it there last time. We're gonna build the mine so that we can get our iron back up. For now, I think we have just enough iron to keep up with our tools. Some steady egg production. I assume this will say nothing, yeah. Because we've only got 3 cows in there, so obviously they haven't made anything yet. Ooh, look at this guy. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm always tired. Trader, what you got for me this time? That is awful. So this is one of the guys that I actually do order things from, so I usually order iron and stone, and I will also order logs every visit. Because honestly the rest of his crap is useless. And probably later in the game we'll add coal to that, but we would love to have a different trader other than him. Forester and a fisherman died. So just the forester didn't get replaced, but there's still 4 of them, so we should be okay. Our chickens are multiplying very fast, so we should start actually seeing hopefully chickens dying soon and adding to our food. Is this the iron I asked him? Oh, that's stone, isn't it? No? Well, I already asked him to collect it anyways, so it's fine. We're a little bit down in people. We started this episode with 41. I know it's only been, what, 4 minutes? We started with 41 though, and now we're down to 38. Still 8 in school and 8 just being kids. Hopefully things pick up soon. Hopefully we get some seeds and then we can start growing everything. Let us see. Well, we don't even have any leather, so there's no point really in upgrading it to make any more clothes than it already is. I'll just leave it as is. Yeah. I don't really have anything I want to change right now. Obviously in time we're gonna unpause this stuff and let it build, but 69 logs, that's not enough to build some more. How much do these take? Oh, that already has 27. Oh, and that has 27 of its logs there. But still, that's like 50, pretty much 60 logs. So we'd have nothing left. So there's no point. There's no point in using all our logs. Soon I want to build a bridge. So let's lay out the bridge. There's a bridge from here to there. How's that? Old age, that's fine. Second person died of old age, it's not so fun. But okay. We'll live with it. Jesus, these people are fast with bringing stuff to the places before I can even get them paused. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so... But obviously we don't even have enough logs to finish it, so we're gonna leave it for now. But then we can go over here, get all the stone and iron and stuff. And then there's some good places to build some more, food setups, like the hunting lodge and hunting lodge gatherer, you know, herbalist, forester combo. It's gonna take us a little bit to get there though. We definitely don't have the manpower to use that yet. How are you? You're doing okay. Gatherer's hut in this location. You're doing pretty good. So everything is doing as well as it should, as far as I can tell. Yeah, this one is doing like, wow, like 2,000 food a year. That's pretty good. We're just, in general, not where we should be. Ooh, we're up in logs again. I'm gonna let them build that. I don't think we're gonna take too much of a hit, so. And then we can get, like, the immediate resources over there. I'm gonna wait for that to be built. You just gotta be patient. Ooh, sweet, so we are starting to get chickens. We're getting tons of eggs every year. Once our food situation is closer into like probably the 3,000s, I might put some eggs into here to be traded with because they're worth 2 instead of 1. So we can trade for food that's only worth 1. As far as I can tell, like having food that's worth 3, it's still only worth 1 in your amount of food stored. So, I mean, and it doesn't give them any higher nutritional value, as far as I can tell, as well. So there's no point in storing it, like, above having, you know, the other types of foods that aren't so costly to you, to be having them instead of selling them. Oh yeah, good, we do have a stockpile that's pretty close. They can put their stuff in. That should bring up our iron, our stone, and our logs quite a bit. And then, I don't really know. I know, we can build more things. I know, smart. Yeah. I don't know why, but every time, I don't know, I just can't talk continuously and not start to screw up words. It's just a thing. So, please don't make fun of me. That's all I ask. Don't make fun of me. You screw up some of my words, but don't make fun of me for it. Actually, we're gonna put the chicken in here instead. So we're gonna put 200 chicken. We're gonna grab 200 more venison. 200 chicken. Hopefully that doesn't impact our food too much. Look at all these chickens. They're doing so well. I don't think I'm gonna make another chicken pen just yet. Maybe further down the road I might, but for right now I'm just gonna stick with the one. We'll just about all we can handle. We definitely don't even, no, we don't even have to handle it anymore, so yes, we're definitely just sticking with one. Don't need that builder anymore. Ooh, another trader. Trader, trader, trader. What has he got for us? Trade. Berries. Awesome. So we basically need 116. Yep. Trade him. Dismiss him. So this is basically just to put a little boost on our food every once in a while. It'll be like even more useful when we have 3 going because we'll have 3 times the chance to have a trader come along. And I don't know, maybe even still a long shot because this side of the water's pretty messed up with like stuff. Maybe down here. Yeah. Awesome. We're definitely gonna pause both of those right away. So 2 more, so that's 5 traders. That's a good number. And down here too. Make sure we pause everything. We don't want to build anything right now. Oh, we don't have the room to build more things. Yeah, so that's pretty much all the traders we're gonna need for a long, long time. We're gonna need some more storage barns. Probably in behind here I'll make them. Which would be a good idea to have anyway, because if we're gonna have the foresters. Oh, I'm cold. Cold and I yawn and yeah. Anyways, we're gonna have our foresters and our gatherers and our hunters over here. We're gonna need storage barns for them to put their stuff in it closer than the ones over here. Still really hoping for that seed merchant though. He's gonna make our life so much easier. We're gonna unpause this. We're gonna let them build that. We may not have anybody working in it right away, but we're gonna let them build it anyways because we have a fair bit of stuff in order to make it. Winter is so pretty. think we're gonna go up from here. Looks pretty good. Service stone as well, I kinda need that. I'm gonna go back up 2,000. Yeah. See if we can make that work. Right, we need a builder to build it. At some point, we're gonna need a good big mountain. Let's see any I like right now, but what we're gonna do is build a couple mines and get a couple blacksmiths going in front of it to boost our trade, so we have some expensive stuff to trade with. Especially because I mean, food is good when you're trading for food, but most of the regular traders that trade for like other goods like stone and stuff don't generally want food. I think the only one that'll take food is like a general resource merchant or something like that, or just general merchant, I think. And that they won't take the food unless they're a food merchant. All the chickens. No, I'd like to think they could fit more chickens in there than that, but there's already a fair amount of chickens. I'm okay with it. I do wish that these limits, however, were slightly up. Like, it's 20 for a full-size pen, whereas, like, it's 66 chickens for a full-size pen. I don't know. It just seems a little low to me. I'm really hoping we get a large number of students graduating soon. There's no point in just kicking them out of school because that'll like completely just turn us backwards a couple years. It's not worth it. Especially since, I mean, we're thriving right now. We've got 3,000 food. We're up into 200s for wood, and firewood is like keeping up. Stone is alright. Iron, we have an iron mine now, so that should be okay soon, as long as we get another worker or two in the near future. We're doing well. Don't let anybody tell you we're not. Oh, a couple nomads. 8 nomads. Let's see who's here first. Some guy with stone. Expensive stone at that. I'm gonna dismiss you. 800 in food. I'm gonna allow them in. I'm gonna unpause that house. What do I have in building right now? Oh, that wasn't done. I didn't realize that wasn't done. Yeah, so all this stuff's already there for that house. So it can be built. Give these new people a place to live. Yeah, build a house. 2 houses beside it as well. We're gonna make 2 of them miners. A fair size stockpile at the trading post. Not at the trading post, sorry, at the mine. I'm losing my brains. So, considering that, and considering we just got all these new people, and we're doing well, and everybody's happy, at least I think everybody's happy. I hope everybody's happy. Put more hurricane on. I'll also put the other herbalist on. And I think that's it for this moment. So within the span of 2 episodes, we've gone completely down to the bottom, to the lows, to the we're barely alive right now, and now we're back to we're doing well. We're okay, we got lots of food, we got people again. So I think we're doing okay. Yeah, so next episode we'll be in Crimson Seas. So we'll see what happens. And we'll see you in the next episode. Bye!